Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to discuss our second type of article, that is definite article. We have already discussed its indefinite part, that is a or an. Now without wasting our time, let's discuss the definite articles. Are you often wondering whether to use the or not? It is the time for you to become a master or to aware of it. Today we are going to look at the uses of article, the definite article, that is the. The the is referred to some particular or definite person, place or thing. It is the same for the singular or the plural for all the genders, and it is used both countable or uncountable nouns. Before sorry Without wasting our so much time, let's have a look on the uses of the. The used in the following ways. Before musical instruments, she can play the tabla, the trumpet. See, all kinds of musical instrument or instruments are the examples of the or the uses of the. Just like we take another example, who invented telephone? Second use of the before the names of well-known historical events. See what things that had happened in the history. These are our historical events, such as the World War of 1914, the Quit India movement. These are the examples of our historical events. Now look at the third use before the proper nouns of certain well-known or sacred books, the Gita, the Bible. You have to remember one note here. If the title of the book is the name of a person, or if the author's name is given in possessive case, there is no article is used. Just like if we had written only Ramayana, it need article the. But if we are writing Balmiki's Ramayana, that means the Ramayana has their author name, so we should not use here article. The another example is Ban Bhatta's Kadambari. Number fourth use is certain canals, the Suez canals. Before the names of the meals, we use definite article the. Just like breakfast, lunch, dinner, brunch. See, brunch is what? When we take something in between breakfast or lunch, we call it brunch. Just see the example. I don't take breakfast. That means it's journal in my case that I don't take my breakfast. But if we see the another example, we didn't like the dinner. That is the specific dinner. Suppose that we went out for dinner yesterday and now we are talking about it. That means maybe like the place but we didn't like the food. We use the to make something specific. Before ordinal numbers are first, second, third. These are our ordinal numbers. Before the names of job, do you like the teaching job? The chairman will decide the matter. These are the example of name of the job. Before the names of political parties, the National Congress, the BJP, these are the examples of our political parties. Before the names of nation, race, community, etc., we use generally the Hindu, the Indians, the Brahmins. These are the examples of our nation, race or community. Before some certain collective nouns such as the army, the police, the navy, the jury. These are the examples of our collective nouns. Things which are unique such as the sun, the world, the earth, the universe. But there is an exception also. In words like heaven, hell, God, parliament, we never use. See, these words are also unique in its manner, but we never use the before these words: heaven, God, hell, parliament. Before the names of the part of the body, we generally use the. He hit him in the head. He was wounded in the arm. Number 13, use of the. Something talks about the whole. The tiger is a fierce animal. The dog is a faithful animal. Here when we are talking about the tiger or the dog, they presents whole category of tiger or dog. Before the names of the rivers, the Ganga, the Satluj, the Godavari, before the names of the newspaper and magazine, the Hindustan Times, the Times of India, before the names of direction, we also use the east, the west, the north, the south, but there is an exception also. If we add ERN with the names of the direction, we never use the, such as if we are writing eastern or western, we always use without the, these words without the or without any article. Before the word same, we always use the. Just like take an example, this is the same building. Here we use the same word, and before this word we use the. Before the names of chains of mountains, the Himalayas, the Alps, we generally use the. Before the title of ranks and honor, the President of India, the Army Chief, the Lieutenant, these are the rank and honor. The see the use number 20th is very important. When two or more than two nouns are used for the same person or things, we always use, or the particular sentence always carry the. Just like take an example, the principal and teacher gave his lecture, the counselor and faculty was working in the office. In the given example, the principal and teacher is the same person. Again in the next example, the counselor and the faculty is again the same person, they are not the two. I hope you got the meaning of 20th uses. Now let's take the 20th one. The is not used before the country's name if they have the words like Republic, Kingdom or States. The Republic of Ireland, the United States, the United Kingdom. We generally don't use the with the names of countries unless they have the words like Republic, Kingdom or States. The name of the oceans, seas, trains, island, these are also the example of uses of the. The Lakshadweep, the Red Sea, the Indian Ocean, the Rajdhani Express. The Rajdhani Express is the example of train. Before all, both and half, we always use, or the sentence having these three words, they always carry the. Both the sons are intelligent, half of the mangoes are ripen. These are the examples of our uses of the. Let's see another uses before an adjective in the superlative degree. Superlative degrees are those degrees which carries est, the tallest, the strongest, they always carry the. 25th use is with noun modified in such a way that uniqueness is indicated. The top, the bottom, the left side of the house, the front side of the house, these are the examples of noun which is modified in such a way that uniqueness is indicated. Before proper nouns consisting of noun plus of plus noun, the Bay of Bengal, the Cape of Good Hope, these are the examples of noun having noun with the connector of. Before the dates of months, see the example, the 4th April 2019, it always carry, whenever we mention the date in such a sequence, they always carry the 20th May 2020. And the last use of the before nationality, the English, the French, the Indian. Here the English includes all the people of England. Here the Indian includes all the people who lives in India. This is the uses of our article the. See, this is the very important thing, that how to pronounce article the or the. Sometimes we face confusion when to pronounce the or instead the. To make it clear, Whenever we have a consonant sound in any word, we pronounce it the. We pronounce it the. And whenever we have a vowel sound in any word, we always pronounce it the. Look at the example: the fan, the book, the apple. So I hope you learn the articles and how to use the articles in a proper manner to make you perfect in your grammar, sentence making skills. So do practice of it. Thanks for watching.